but I will try and get this one right this time. So, most recent PDRA and the monthly, especially premium. This guy, I'll go too far, but swing high. And, most recent swing low is this one. Swing low. So mitigated by this. So the most recent PDRA that's for mitigated is this one. But in terms of direction, my man's bullish. I caught it. uh, so therefore, it's safe to say that this fair value gap here is direction and it's bullish. It's not been mitigated, as you can see, and this movement here, this guy, that's the one that's been mitigated. Now, let's drill down into the weekly. Monthly has a confluence of buying because of this recent move. Now, into weekly. Now, in the weekly, taking this as the current candle, this guy is the PDRA in terms of premium. Whereas in terms of, it looks like this monthly PDRA is still the target for the weekly in terms of the swing low. So that means we can safely take out this one and a few others. Now, the recent PDRA that's been taken out, this guy has been taken out by this candle. Uh, Now, in terms of order flow, like for, I mean, fair value gaps. Don't mind me, I beg. I don't bash a bit. So the recent fair value gap is a sell. It was mitigated by this nigga Roya. You know, so we can say that the weekly, the bias for the weekly, um, ICT, ICT bias for weekly is to weekly is to weekly is to sell. See that? Don't touch out this one with this. What's this? Get this guy available. Swing low, swing high. Now let's drill down to daily. In the daily, the most recent PDRA in terms of Hmm. We cannot say it's this one because this candle hasn't closed. Hmm. And that's still the same. Wow, that's nice. It's quite still the same swing guy for the weekly nine conform swing guy for the same monthly and weekly nine form. That's not too bad. Swing low is this muffle, you know. Come on now, this I don't know whether because my line's not thick. So swing low for the daily. So that means we can remove this guy here. Now the most recent PDRA that's been taken out. This one. Yeah, still this one that's been taken out. Quite fractal. Um, fair value gap for direction, which is this one. Um, so that's a point of interest, fair value gap, the daily, you know. So this now becomes the direction. This now be the mitigation as you know. This guy's mitigated. Anyway, so our daily bias becomes a sell, whereas the 4 hours, the direction in terms of fair value gap is showing bullish, which is a buy. So 4 hours is a buy. 4H is a buy. Now let's go back into daily. Yeah, and in the daily, let's try and see market structure. So can't say this is a swing point because this candle isn't closed. So we get. Let me just start from here. I can always one, wow, two, three, two. Let's say we can't consider that a swing point yet because we're close. So we get this structure here. If we go into 4 hours, you can see the swing points. So we can call this our fair value area. Shit, my battery is about to die. So we can call this our fair value area, you know. Um, Now it looks like price is buying into that fair value area, and we resume the movement downwards. So I can take out our one, two, and three. Control Z past that. Contest the fair value area. That's not bad. Surprise I'll come back in to test out. And that's it. Um for going to the daily provided the order flow. So daily OFL, and we get the 4 hours market structure. Now let's see the added confluence. Because price don't drive into an obviously on the 4 hours is buying, but on the bigger time frame, which aligns with weekly, is a sell. So in the daily, let's this resistance thing you did recently is still a bit confusing to me because I give it, although you said start from the swing point, the body of the swing point toward the resistance. This is a swing point here, and the body of that swing point is said to measure about somewhere around 60 pips. Now, that body of that swing, are they very confused about? So is it where, if this is another swing point now, is it all the way to the swing point body? You think they consume this swing point body, Abi? I don't understand. I'll just measure and see. You said it should be around 60 pips. This is more than, it's around 45 pips anyway. It's not bad. So you can drag this out to be like a resistance point, isn't it? Because what I used is this body up until a recent body next to it, because it's a swing point to where the body stops. Uh, I mean, is it supposed to be all the way here or here? You get, as in all the way here or here. So yeah, price I expect should be, moving from here to here, enter the fair value area, probably get knocked down to come take this out. Or if we continue downwards a little bit and move back out into this fair value, and maybe from that point downwards, I'm just, pretty much done my work here. So this is the resistance. Maybe you will explain the whole resistance thing later, yeah? So stop the video.